Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the Pitaka Sunset Moonrise MagEZ Case 5 for iPhone 15 Pro Max that you can buy from official website. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The smartphone accessory market is abuzz with the latest innovation from Pitaka, the MagEZ Case 5, designed exclusively for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this article, we will delve into the various facets of this groundbreaking case that combines sleek design, technical prowess, and artistic innovation. Pitaka proudly introduces the MagEZ Case 5, setting new standards for slimness and weight. With a mere 0.75mm thickness and weighing only 13 grams, it's a testament to minimalist design without compromising on functionality. MagSafe technology has become synonymous with Apple devices. The MagEZ Case 5 seamlessly integrates MagSafe compatibility, ensuring a secure connection and efficient charging experience. The MagEZ Case 5 boasts an impressive 0.75mm thickness, making it one of the thinnest cases in the market. Weighing only 13 grams, it adds minimal bulk while providing maximum protection. The case is MagSafe compatible, allowing users to enjoy the convenience of effortless attachment and precise alignment with MagSafe accessories. Crafted for ergonomic excellence, the 3D grip texture design ensures a secure hold, preventing accidental slips and enhancing overall user experience. Constructed from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, the case combines durability with a lightweight profile, offering robust protection without compromising on aesthetics. The raised camera lip provides an additional layer of protection, safeguarding the iPhone's camera module from scratches and impacts. Drawing inspiration from the natural beauty of the sky during sunset and moonrise, the MagEZ Case 5 aims to replicate this transition with its unique color palette. Pitaka focuses on creating more than just a protective case. The design aims to evoke emotions, offering users an immersive experience that goes beyond the functional aspects of a phone case. Introducing fusion weaving, a groundbreaking technology developed by Pitaka in 2021. This technique allows colored fibers to be woven using multiple weaving techniques on a single loom, resulting in multi-styled, multi-colored aramid fiber cases. While aramid fiber is known for its durability, its application was limited by coloring and weaving constraints. Pitaka's fusion weaving breaks these limitations, allowing for a broader spectrum of colors and styles in aramid fiber cases. The Sunset and Moonrise edition, part of the Weaving Plus series, showcases the capabilities of fusion weaving. It weaves an immersive blue time from sunset to moonrise, offering users a unique and visually stunning case. Recreating the popular sunset moment, this edition invites users to enjoy the healing and cozy feeling inspired by the transition from warm to cool colors in the sky. Pitaka emphasizes the emotional connection with the Sunset and Moonrise edition, providing users with a sense of coziness and tranquility. Experience the artistry of the sky's color transition through the Sunset and Moonrise edition, turning your iPhone into a canvas of natural beauty. Combining technical excellence with artistic innovation, the MagEZ Case 5 stands out as the best option for iPhone 15 Pro Max users seeking a perfect blend of protection, aesthetics, and functionality. In conclusion, the MagEZ Case 5 by Pitaka is not just a phone case, it's a statement of style, innovation, and user-centric design. Its thinness, lightweight construction, MagSafe compatibility, and fusion weaving technology make it a standout choice in the market. We encourage users to explore the Sunset and Moonrise edition, a testament to Pitaka's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a phone case can be. So guys, this was the video about the Pitaka Sunset Moonrise MagEZ Case 5 for iPhone 15 Pro Max. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.